Konnichiwa, I am Nitish. I worked as a summer intern at NTT AT's headquarters in Kawasaki last year, and I worked with the cloud and IoT team. So, as soon as I joined the company, we were assigned trainers who helped us start the work smoothly. And talking about the technical experience which I had there, I learned very well about how the cloud systems work and also basic IoT sensors and all. And also, I had good hands-on experience with scripting and other AWS related technologies. And about other experiences which I had in Japan were mainly with the people which I've interacted, and we went to a lot of good places with colleagues. And yes, I really enjoyed the stay in Japan, and this will be one of the best experiences in my life. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Shreyash and I'm a computer science and engineering student at IIT Hyderabad. I worked as a summer intern last summer at NTT AT in Kawasaki, which is very near to Tokyo. So I had time to visit, I had the convenience of visiting Tokyo. And about the experience in Japan, the workplace is very amazing. The people are really helpful, and the place, the city, Kawasaki and Tokyo, they look really beautiful in evening, morning, day, night, every time. Like the lights in the night look very sparkly, and the city skyline is really beautiful. The climate there is amazing. You get to skip Indian summer of May and June. And there are many beautiful places in Japan in which where our trainers took us, like Mount Fuji and Disneyland. Disneyland is a really beautiful place in Japan. And I also loved the food in Japan. It was very tasty, and now I'm very fond of ramen. So thanks to Japan. That's all.
Hello all, I'm Yogita Ramamurthy. I'm pursuing my PhD in Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Hyderabad. So I was an intern at NTT AT Tsukuba. Based Tsukuba, NTT AT deals with the maintenance of optical fibers for NTT AS Labs. Where throughout my internship, I was involved in the work of maintenance, 3D maintenance of optical facilities and testing of some of its technologies. So throughout my internship period, I found my team members were very helpful and very kind to me. And they taught me really well, because I was from a background of wireless communication, whereas my whole internship is towards the fiber optic technologies. So I didn't find any hindrance in my learning, because they taught me in a very good way, in a very kind way, so that I understood each and every concept they taught me. And during my lab visits, yeah, I found like it's a very well established lab where I found each and every technologist in a real time. So regarding Japan, yeah, Japan is a wonderful place to live. And Japan, I don't know, I personally love Japan because of people over there, because you can find people are very helpful, and they were very kind and polite. So regarding the language, yes, English is not a prominent language, but if you have a passion in learning something, language will not be a problem, and I believe in it. So happy to be part of NTT AT family. Thank you very much.
I'm Aditya, a graduate student studying computer science at IIT Hyderabad. So last summer I've got an opportunity to work at NTT AT as an intern. So I've worked with this team called OCR, which works on DevOps tools. So all around my technical work, the experience has been really good. So the entire team was really helpful throughout the process. So also the team is developing some really good state-of-art solutions for a few business use cases. And after seeing all that, I've got an opinion that if it's not made in Japan, it doesn't exist. So yeah, this is about the technical aspect, and coming to the cultural thing, I've got a chance to explore few places in Japan and also their culture. So as a part of so also we got a chance to cook our Indian food in Japanese home. Also they liked it. It has been a really good experience. So we stayed in Tokyo throughout the tenure of our internship. So those glossy neon lights in Tokyo make it feel as a heaven on earth, particularly in night. So I've also visited few islands, and overall the experience has been really good. If got a chance, I would work in Japan.
Konnichiwa means hi in Japanese. I am Surya, computer science student at IIT Hyderabad. Last summer, I got this wonderful opportunity to work at NTT as a project intern. As part of my intern, I could develop a multilingual FAQ system, and the colleagues whom I worked with were like a family. They helped me in all possible ways, both in my professional life and in my personal life in Japan. They were always trying to make me comfortable, and the hospitality of Japanese people is really great. You must have heard about it. And as in my intern, I also learned Japanese from them, and they were also helping me to explore Japan. As a result, I could explore many beautiful places of Japan, and visiting Hiroshima and Kyoto was the best of all. And if you have any doubts of whether to how your work life will be in Japan, especially in NTT, I would say the work culture is really good. And if you really have any such doubts, I would suggest you visit Japan once, and I am sure you will change your mind. And as a personal experience, I would say if you can't survive in Japan, then you can't survive anywhere else in the world. And as a final note, I would like to really thank all my fellow interns, all my colleagues, and the NTT for giving me such a wonderful opportunity and a once in a lifetime experience. Thank you.